All right, so today I'm going to show you guys how you can use your iPhone to scan documents. It's free, it's part of the update, and I didn't know about this till my sister showed me, so I'm going to share you guys, some feature of the iPhone for free. I mean, I struggle finding scanners. We have a scanner at home, but if you're out and about, you need to scan some documents, you don't have to subscribe on any apps, because I've tried it before, had to use free trials. Some I have to pay $7 just to scan documents, when your iPhone can actually do the same thing for free. So here's where you want to go to your notes. I was scanning something earlier, and all you gotta go is at the bottom right of your phone. That's where you create a note, just to start a note. And just go to this camera. I mean, you can type in here if you want. So this is scan, I'll just name it scan document. And then just you can add a picture or add a document. So what we're gonna do is scan a document. That's what we're gonna do. Scan document. So I'll just let you know it's gonna be a little tricky because I'm gonna be holding my phone on my left, my recording phone, and this one on the right. I'm gonna zoom out to show you. Only thing about this is it auto captures. I mean, you can set it not to auto capture, so it'll just keep scanning document nonstop. But I'll just show you guys what it does. Scan document. So it was an auto, or you can do it manual. I like to do it manually. I mean, you can do it in auto if you're good at it, but I'll just show you. To capture, see how it's scanning. I mean, it's probably scanning my laptop as part of the document, but I'll just take a picture. I mean, just click that like you're taking a picture, and you can edit it right away. So just use that. I don't know if you noticed, but it has a thing where you can zoom in. That way you can precisely crop the photo, the document, so you can turn it as an actual scanned document, not just as a photo. So do that, and then you can hit keep scan if you have other documents. Once you're done, so we'll just click that keep scan. Once you're done, I mean, you can just save it if you only need one document, but if you have multiple, you can keep scanning. We'll scan another one. I'll just save that. I already showed you guys, you can drag, it says there drag your lines, and then, you can crop it out. And then it says there's two documents. I'll just scan another one just to show you. Or you can do auto capture. So this is what it does for auto capture. So if it's on manual, it says manual. So what you want is the auto, click that. So it will automatically does that for you. We'll just keep scanning. I mean, if you're in a rush, just want to keep scanning different documents, and you can just click that. So I'm done with it. So what I'm gonna do, so I don't scan more items, I just hit manual again. It says here you have 6 documents. Now you can save. Do not forget to save it, or else you're gonna have to rescan everything. So save that, and it shows different documents here. And then, I mean, you can scan another documents if you want, scan documents, if you can do that again, and scan documents again, if you want. Just keep adding more documents. We'll save it. I just click save. So see how you have documents here. All the scanned documents that I just scanned. It's pretty clear. I mean, this one is the one that we cropped out, so This one is the one that we didn't. Those are some manual. Auto one is good, you know, if you're gonna see the auto one. And you can actually send this right away as a PDF. You know, you can send a copy and then you can send it through email. I'll just zoom in. You can send it as a copy. What I've noticed here is it will send it as a PDF, or you can share it as an image. That's always your option. You can print it, you can lock it, scan more, you can delete it. You can, you know, put some text here. Again, another document, just so you have everything all at one page, one note. But the only downside about this is I've noticed that every time I send documents, they only receive a partial of what I've sent. So I think the capacity, this is what I've noticed so far. So I don't know if you guys have any other tricks that might help me, you know, get more out of it. But what I've noticed is I will send this whole 6 pages, right, as a PDF, but they're only receiving up to 3, maximum 3, because we send it to our mortgage processor and they keep asking us about same documents that we've already sent them using this app, and they've been only receiving 3 out of 6. And I tried sending documents to myself, to my own email, just to see like what's going on. Like I'm sending this document as a PDF, and what I've noticed is that the when you send the documents, it's only receiving 3 out of 6. So I would limit myself. I mean, just recommendation. I mean, I would advise you to just have up to 3 scanned documents per note. I mean, you can create a new one again, you know, just so you know, like second document, just so you're aware, so you don't get confused, and then just scan and not, you know, the rest of the pages, you know, up to 3 again on the second one. And you'll be able to see that here. You can hold it, you know, you can send a copy, you know, share note, whichever works out for you. But that's how it works so far. And let's see, you can actually delete it, crop it out again. If you need to edit one page, you can crop it. You can add more documents, you can delete it if it doesn't work out for you. But I mean, this is free. It might limit you up to 3 guaranteed sent documents, but at least, you know, this is free. You don't have to register or subscribe to any other apps. That's it for now.